Hello beauties, Anya here. So today we'll do a short yoga session, just standing up poses. So if you find yourself in the beautiful, quiet spot like this and you want to take opportunity from this moment to connect with the elements, with nature, with the universe, you don't need any yoga mat. You can just do it bare feet directly on the grass, or if weather doesn't allow it, you can also do it with shoes on. Just taking your time to connect with yourself, with your body, your breath, the elements, to nourish yourself from deep within. Okay, so let us start in the mountain pose. Feet hip distance apart, parallel to each other, and let's connect with our bodies, starting from the feet. Feel the contact of your feet with the ground, the body weight evenly distributed on your whole feet. Straight legs, balanced pelvis, straight back. Open the chest, the shoulders away from the ears. Let there be an opening in the heart space. And draw the chin slightly in so you can feel this lengthening on the back of the neck. Close your eyes. Imagine invisible string pulling the top of the head upwards towards the sky. Feel the lengthening through the whole spine. And try to find softening and ease in this straight standing position. Expand your awareness beyond your physical body. Be aware of the fields of energy surrounding your physical body. The hold of the consciousness over your entire being. And check the quality of your mind. If there are any thoughts, just let them go and let's commit to be present here and now with yourself, with your body, your breath, your energies, and your entire being. And we will start now with a couple of warm-ups. So bring your chin all the way towards the chest. And now we start slowly rotating the head, first towards the right shoulder, nice and slow. Ample movement, and slowly backwards, exploring of range of movement of your neck. Try to keep your shoulders as relaxed as possible. And change the direction the other way around, nice and slow, full circle. Stay with awareness in the neck and the movement itself. And that's enough. Come to the balanced straight position and pose. Relax your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Feel the fluidic energies in the neck area, clearing of the energy pathway in this area. And we continue with another warm-up, the stretching of the spine and the thorax. So come with your feet apart at the angle, and we will synchronize the movement here with the breath. Bring the palms on the thighs, the fingers are pointing outwards. We inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Bend your knees and bend forwards. And as we inhale through the nose, we enter the position. We press the palms against the thighs. The arms are stretched here. The knees are still bent, and we find this stretch here on the spine as we push the pelvis away from the torso We hold the breath here, and then we exhale through the mouth, and we release the position. And again, pause for a moment. Couple of natural breaths. And we do it again. Palms on the thighs. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Bend your knees, bend forwards. Inhale through the nose, come up. Enter the position. The arms are stretched. If you feel like your arms are too long, simply bring the shoulders towards the ears and rotate the elbows towards the ribs. Find your stretch. Hold the breath and visualize the light energy descending along the spine. And exhale through the mouth. Release the position. Relax for a couple of natural breaths. Stay with awareness on the spine, energy descending along this main energy channel along the spine. And now let's prepare for the last one. Palms on the thighs. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Bend your knees, bend forwards. Inhale through the nose. Come up, enter the position. Find your stretch. Hold the breath. Stay with this visualization of the light energy descending along the spine, energizing the spine. And exhale through the mouth and release the position and pause. Feel the effects of this exercise, the elasticization of the spaces between the vertebrae, expansion of the distances between the ribs, the feeling of revitalization spreading from the spine, increased flexibility. And we'll start with the first asana, Padahastasana, the bending forward position. So let me come to the side so you can see me better, and I will place this beautiful view here. So feet still, hip distance apart, find the even spot. And we lift the arms up, we stretch upwards, body in one long line. And now we start bending forward. The movement is coming from the hip. We lengthen the spine forward and slowly bring the hands on the ground. If you can reach the ground, that's great. Otherwise, just stay trying to reach the ground. Find your position. Make sure that the body weight is evenly distributed on your feet, so you're not mostly on the heels or toes. Nice and even. The legs are stretched. Feel the stretch on the lower back, but the shoulders and neck are relaxed. Close your eyes, interiorize, and in this position we stay with the awareness on the energy flow as we receive the vital, earthy energy through the feet, rising through the legs all the way to the root chakra, the pelvic area. And there is continuation of the flow of energy through the back arms, expelling of the stagnant, old energy back to the ground and receiving the fresh, vital, earthy energy through the feet, legs, all the way to the root chakra. That's where our awareness rests, the root chakra, the pelvic area up in the air. Simply sensing the space, sensing the energy. And that's enough. Bend your knees and slowly lift your body up. Unfold, keep the chin next to the chest, and we slowly release the position. Relax your shoulders. Stay with your eyes closed, interiorized. Feel the continuation of this flow of energy through the legs, the pleasant sensations in the legs, the activation of the root chakra at the pelvic area, with these vital earthy energies. Feel the sense of groundedness, the connection with the earth, and also feel the stability of the mind. And now we'll continue with Talasana, the tree pose. So feet again, hip distance apart. We bring the palms together on the chest. And now we'll lift the arms up. We separate the palms. The arms are stretched upwards, but the shoulders are away from the ears. So don't try to bring the shoulders towards the ears. And imagine you are like a tree, with the legs being like a trunk of a tree and the feet growing roots to the earth, anchoring deep to the earth. And the arms are like branches of the tree trying to reach the sky. The palms and fingers are relaxed, receiving the light cosmic energy from above, which descends through the arms and energizes our body with the light magnetic energies. So stay with this connection with the earth and also with the sky, like a tree. Finding this fluid stillness. So don't tense up your shoulders, your neck, just check your body. You are still, but yet there is this natural fluidity within. And that's enough. Slowly, let's release the position. The arms are slowly coming to the side of the arms without touching the palms with each other. And relax. Soften the shoulders, the neck. And pause. Feel the fields of energy surrounding your arms. You might feel electric, like shoots of energy through the palms and fingers, so energized. And also accumulation of the energy in the upper body, like a biosphere of energy. Body charged with this light cosmic energies. And we will continue now with a fearful goddess pose. Very grounding and connecting with this feminine, wide energy. So bring your feet apart at the angle. And now we start bending the knees. We make sure that the tailbone is tucked in so we don't stick the bum backwards or forwards. Nice and aligned, and the knees should be above the ankles, so not beyond the ankles. And just find the strong grounded position, strong legs, active. And we'll bring the arms up, we bend the elbows, maintaining the straight angles, palms facing forwards. Strong position. The muscles are active, and yet don't tense up. Fluid stillness. Connect with this feminine, wild energies of the nature. The fearful goddess, and if you want to go full on the next exhalation, stick your tongue out. abdominal breathing. Feel this openness in the front body, the pelvis, the abdomen and the chest. Connecting with this wild part of you, deep within. One more time, inhale and stick your tongue out. And that's enough. Release the position, allow the body to soften. And pause, interiorize, feel the effects, feel the quality of the energies penetrating your body, sense of aliveness, openness and enthusiasm. The wild feminine qualities. Be aware of this part of your being. And let's continue with Trikonasana, the triangle pose. So let's bring the feet apart as you can, feet parallel to each other. If you are with your shoes on, you might keep your feet a little bit closer to each other so you have a good support. And we bring the arms to the side, we lengthen through the arms and chest, we draw the shoulders away from the ears. And now we start turning to the right, bringing the left arm up. The arms are in the same line with each other. And we just check that we are not leaning forwards or backwards, that we are aligned, that the left arm hand is going upwards towards the sky. And the head and neck align with this curve of the spine. Close your eyes. In this position we receive the earthy, vital energy are coming through the feet, running through the legs, all the way to the navel chakra, the abdominal area. And simultaneously we receive the light cosmic energy through the left arm, all the way to the navel chakra, bringing the lunar receptive aspect to this energy. Stay with awareness in the abdominal area. Feel the activation of the muscles here in the abdominal area to hold you. Stay still. Deep abdominal breathing. And that's enough. Slowly let's release the position. And let's pause for a moment. Interiorize. Feel the effects of this asana. Feel the effects of this stretch on the left side of the body. The activation of the navel chakra with its fiery, uplifting energy. Feel the sense of strength, self-confidence, willpower. And let's continue with Trikonasana on the other side. So feet same distance apart, again parallel to each other. Arms coming to the side, we lengthen through the arms and chest. Shoulders away from the ears, and now we turn to the left, bringing the right arm up again. Arms are in the same line with each other. Something here. Find this stretch on the right side of the body. Check that your hand is not leaning backwards or forwards. And pause. If your left hand is near the leg, you can gently rest here, but without putting any pressure on the knee. Again, bring your awareness to the energy flow as we receive the earthy energy through the legs, running all the way up to the navel chakra. And this time we catch some cosmic energy through the right hand, right arm descending all the way to the navel chakra, bringing the solar, emissive, balancing aspect. Stay with awareness in the navel chakra, the abdominal area. And that's enough. Slowly, let's release the position. And let's come to a comfortable standing position, pose. Feel the effect of this stretch on the right side of the body, the right side of the abdomen. The activation of the navel chakra, this time in the solar and emissive balancing aspect. Feel the sense of inner balance, self-confidence, inner harmony. And overall, find balance and symmetry and harmony between the left and the right. And open your eyes. We will continue with Prasarita Padotananasana, the wide stance, bending forward. So we bring the feet apart again as much as possible. Here it's quite vital because the more you bring the feet apart, the shorter distance you have towards the ground. Okay, so feet are parallel to each other. And now we bring the arms up, we lengthen upwards, and now we start bending forwards. The movement is coming from the hip, lengthening of the spine forwards, and now we bring the hands on the ground. And the first variation is simply keeping the hands on the ground and allowing the head to hang here. Keep the legs stretched, feel the stretch on the lower back, and just with gravity allow the head to sink towards the ground. Okay, so that's the first variation. However, if you have more flexibility here, you can try to bring the forearms on the ground. Just check the distance by grabbing the opposite elbow and then interlock your fingers and bring the head on the ground. Support your head with the fingers behind your head. Here the body weight is on the feet, the forearms, not so much on the head. And close your eyes. In this position we receive the earthy energy through the feet, legs, all the way to the root chakra. Here we bring the energy from the ground through the feet, legs, all the way to the root chakra in the pelvic area, and from here the energy descends along the spine all the way down to the crown chakra, the top of the head, triggering the process of sublimation of the energy. Also we receive the light cosmic energy directly to the root chakra from above, and this energy again is being channeled all the way to the crown chakra at the top of the head. That's where our awareness rests. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Interior. And that's enough. Lift your head and bring the feet closer to each other slowly. You might want to come here on the knees, especially if you feel lightheaded or dizzy. Take your time and see if you slowly can lift your body up again. Very slow with awareness. And pause. Feel the sensations within the body, the continuation of this flow of energy through the legs upwards, all the way along the spine, to the level of Sahasrara, the crown chakra, the top of the head, expansion of the consciousness beyond your physical body, beyond this spot you are in, into the vastness, infinite. lucidity, transcendence. And we will conclude this session with a short meditation. You can do it either standing up, or if you can, come to the seated position. You also can lie down if you have space for it, but standing is perfectly fine if you cannot sit or lie down. Okay? So close your eyes and relax your body in this position with the spine nice and tall. And bring your awareness to your breath. Allow your breath to naturally slow down. With each inhalation, we are receiving prana, the energy which we allow to spread through our whole body, to energize our body, and to nourish every single cell of your body. And with each exhalation, we release any tensions, any restrictions, and we allow our body to soften. With each inhalation, we bring more lightness and spaciousness to our body. And with each exhalation, we release any heaviness. Feel your body soft and light. And orient your awareness to the chest area, to the heart space. Allow your breath now to flow in and out of the heart center. Connecting with your own being in the heart. The feeling of coming back home. Enjoy the intimacy with your own being. Allow your breath to become very light. Connecting with the stillness within. Deep internal calmness. In a balance, sense of wholeness. And now come closer to your physical body. Note increased inner energies, inner strength, inner beauty. And now Be back in your body. Feel the contact of your body with the ground. The texture of the grass. The breeze on your skin. Open your eyes and look to the sky. The beauty around. With awe and gratitude for this very moment. And commit to maintain this state of awe, appreciation and gratitude for the rest of the day. Have a beautiful day. Namaste. See you soon.